Hello guys, today we want to present you our video about motherboard.
It contains some information about motherboard elements. We hope you'll enjoy.
Let's start guys.
Here you can see the motherboard. But what is it?
A motherboard is the main printed circuit board found in computers and other expandable systems.
It holds many of the crucial electronic components of the system, such as the central processing unit CPU and memory, and provides connectors for other peripherals.
Unlike a backplane, a motherboard contains significant subsystems such as a processor and other components.
Okay guys, let us show you the main parts of the motherboard.
Here we can see the cooling fan. Under it located CPU or central processing unit. Also, there are some expansion slots for video card. Here in this video card, there are some memory slots on which located random access memory. It's random access memory and slots. Short it's called RAM, and this is a ATX power connector for motherboard.
There are a lot of different connectors on motherboard, and one of them is this connector for CPU power. Also, we can see USB connectors here and here, and controllers for HDD drive and DVD drive here. Here are the connectors for them. This little circle is a CMOS battery. The last thing we want to show you are the bridges. This is the north bridge and this is the south bridge.
Okay guys, thank you for your attention.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we hope it will be interesting. It
will be useful for you in future.
Yeah. So see you guys. Bye.
See you later. Goodbye.